Hello.
Count to 5, and if it goes to the
Hi.
same number, you know your
Hello.
paint is the same thickness as
I
mine.
love
So
you.
let's see what we're at today.
I love you.
1,
Are you nibbling?
2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5.
I love
We're
you
at a
too.
5.
I
That
love
is
you.
perfect for the Dutch pour. You want to
It's
be
Mama's good girl.
between
Is your
about a
Mama's good
3
girl?
and a
Huh?
5.
You're such a
Perfect,
precious
okay?
girl.
If you get down
You're
to
so
6,
beautiful.
it's a little too
Are you
thick.
nibbling?
All right,
As long as you
it'll
nibble
still
on the
work,
shirt and
but
not on my skin,
you
we're
may have
fine.
some issues with
Hi.
your
I love you.
metallics breaking
You
up
gonna
because
talk?
the mica doesn't like a lot of
Oh, no, we don't get to nibble on
So
me.
let's
That
get
hurts,
started.
baby girl.
On this canvas,
Yeah, that
I'm
can
going
hurt.
to dump
Yep.
my white paint
All right.
that is mixed with water and
Hi.
Photoshop right off my canvas here.
Hi. Hi.
If you just saw
I
that
love
brush
you.
right off.
Oh, I love you so much. You gonna let me touch your wings today? You're gonna touch a wing. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, yes. We'll do this one too. Look at you. Yes, you let me touch your wings so beautifully.
How much paint is actually on that canvas if
I love
spread it
you.
out with a spatula versus putting
Are
it
you
on
Mommy's
the
good
canvas,
girl?
tilting it
Where you
around,
going?
and,
Trying to snuggle?
just
Are you
flying the
snuggling? Can I have a
canvas that
hug?
way.
Mommy's gonna hug.
So maybe
Okay.
just until
Oh,
you're
hug.
used to
Yeah.
your Dutch pours,
Yeah.
know how
Hello.
much paint should be on the canvas. This way
Hello.
would be easier for you.
Are you my good
Or
girl?
maybe not. Maybe the spatula is
Are
easier
you
for
my
you.
good
All
girl?
I know is I pour my
Hi.
paint on. Yes, I waste
Yes,
some of
my
it.
precious
But you
girl.
can also
Yes.
scrape it up and put
I'm
it
just
in
sitting
the
here
container
watching
right
acrylic
when you're done
painting
doing this part, so it
tutorials
stays nice and clean.
and enjoying my time spent with this little one.
But
She
doing
loves
it
to
this
talk.
way, I know
We're
that
learning. I can
the right
understand.
amount,
I
because
love
what I
you.
do is I tilt it
It's still a little mumbled, but I can understand when she's trying to say
it's
that,
covered
or when
and
she
it's
says
taken
hi
off
or
the
hello.
So you see,
And sometimes it
just
sounds
when I
like
go
she's
over that
saying,
corner, I stop.
"What?"
Now I know that there's a perfect
Or I
amount
don't know.
of paint on that
Yes.
for me.
She's a good
I'll
girl.
even show you
I
here.
love
There's
you.
the tongue depressor.
We've only said good morning once. Have never said it
The depth
twice.
of that paint, I mean, it's barely
But the first
nothing.
time she said it was very, very
Okay?
clear.
So you just want the canvas coated
Yeah.
in white.
I absolutely love this little girl.
So this is
Yes.
a 10 by 20
She has
canvas.
stolen my
On
heart.
this one, I'm going
Yes.
to do
Yes.
the newer version where you
Okay.
don't
Are we
flip
done?
the colors.
Are we going
Alright,
to chew
so
my
we're gonna
shirt?
start by laying
Are we
our
going to chew
colors
shirts? Yeah.
down in
Yeah. If I have buttons,
line,
she will try to
whatever
eat
way
my
you wanna
buttons.
go, okay?
Yeah.
Here's the thing.
Silly girl. Silly
When you're
girl.
using
Can you say hi, Luta?
you want to make sure that you know
Luta.
what kind of paint
What
you're
is your
using,
name?
okay? First of all, if you
Can
want
you
to
say
use
your
a Dutch
name?
pour, which is paint
Luta.
water, you need to be using
Luta.
better brands
Is that your name?
paints.
I
You're
say
not gonna
Luta.
get away with
Huh?
a
I say
Dutch
Luta.
pour with paint and
I
water
love you.
using little bottles
I love you.
of Deco Art paint
And
or
sometimes if
crafts
she knows
or
that she's
anything
being
like that.
recorded,
They just
she
don't
gets
have
very
the
quiet.
good binders in them, and
You're silly, aren't you?
you're gonna make your painting, and it's
Oh,
gonna be
you're
fine.
so
But I'm
silly.
gonna tell you
I
right
love
now,
this
a
little
year
girl.
or two down the road, it's gonna be
Love her,
flaking
love
off
her,
the
love her.
canvas, or it's gonna be fading.
Hi.
Something's going to be happening.
Kisses?
Okay, so that's the first thing.
Can you give kisses?
Second thing is,
Thank you.
when you're laying your paints